Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you that how to make a kid story in just 5 minutes with the 4 simple steps. So number 1, we would create a story via ChatGPT. Number 2, add voiceover. Number 3, generate the visuals. Number 4, make a video. So number 1, we would log into the ChatGPT website. Here I would guide you each and every step so you don't need to get worried about it. After logging at the ChatGPT, we'd go to the new window of a new chat. Then I would write a story for a kid. So a short story for a kid is going to be generated. We don't need to worry about the content. The ChatGPT would create a unique content for us, and we can use this audio story at the Amazon and make a video at the YouTube. So this video will help us to earn the money at the different streams. Now the story is being generated, and once the story generated, our next step would be we will convert it into the audio file. So number 2, we will log in at ttsfree.com. It's a free platform. We no need to pay anything. It would convert our audio into the speech. So I will again log in back to the chat GBT. I would copy paste the first 2 to 3 lines of my story and I will paste it, which I want to convert it into the audio file. I will press the button convert now.
Once upon a time, in a magical forest called Evergreen Glen, there lived a curious little rabbit named...
I will download the file and save it at the desktop. So now my next number 3 step is to log in at the Blue Willow. Blue Willow is basically a free platform where we can generate the customized visuals of our story. It's a free version. We no need to pay anything. It would convert it to the Discord. And now again, I will go back to my story. I will copy paste the lines of which I want to generate the visual. I will paste my storylines here and then I will write \imagine. It would generate the customized visuals and the quality of the image is superb. You can use it anywhere, and you can see that the different peoples have given the instructions for their stories and work, and they are generating the visuals. It will take some time, and you can see that my image is almost ready. So here we go. I would save this image at the desktop. In the same manner, I will copy paste and make all the images. Number 4 step is to make a video. I will log in at a CapCut. It's a very user-friendly video editor where you can make the video at the professional level. So I will go to create a new video and I would simply go to the media and start importing all the images which I have collected from the Blue Willow. So I would add the images one by one which the Blue Willow has generated as by my storyline. And after importing all the visuals over here, I would add my audio file which I have generated from the TTS. Guys, it's so simple to make a video and you can learn it just in 5 minutes and can earn money like anything. My audio file is ready and I have downloaded it. Now I would simply drag and drop. You can see these are my images. Now I'm just dragging them one by one and they are as per the story which is created by ChatGPT. After adding all the images, I will add my audio file and my story would be ready over here. Now I can sell this audio and the video at the Amazon. I will show this as well.
Called Evergreen Glen, there lived a curious little rabbit named Rosie.
The story is ready. Now I am going to log in at Amazon. I will show you there. Here I will write that kids story books. And you can see that people are selling their audiobooks and their visuals and their textbooks. So one book you can sell at the different platforms. Let me click here. See, their audio library, paper book, and everything is being sold over here. And even at the YouTube, let me show you, because our video is ready and you can sell this. I will write kids short story in English, and see, this video is uploaded 23 hours ago and it has a 15k views. 7 days ago 105k views. So guys, I hope you might have seen that how the people are selling. And if you like my video, please don't forget to press the subscribe button. It would keep on motivating me and I would create the more videos like this. Thank you so much. Take care.